Hi everyone, Kelly Poulos here, and I'm here to introduce our group project, which consisted of Maureen, Karen, Michelle, Jumi, and myself. And our group project is geared for the second grader, and it's all about our solar system. It consists of a lesson plan, which was created and revised by Jumi and Karen. And we also put in an audiobook about the solar system read by Maureen. We provided a solar system song and a beautiful solar system slide that was provided by Michelle, along with a nice artsy project to fill in. And we were so happy to do this, and we're very proud of our work. We think we did a great job. And little by little, the kids will know more about the galaxy. Oh, also, what I contributed was a nice little quiz that they could take. Consists of 10 multiple choice questions and answers right here. So that's it, and I hope you enjoyed our lesson plan. Thank you.